Hey everybody, and welcome back to Heidi's Chaos Kitchen. Chaos, why? Because you never know exactly what the heck I'm gonna do in here. Today, it's lemon balm, also known as Melissa. This is a lovely medicinal herb that grows great in the garden, and it has some wonderful properties. So anyone who is stressed or struggling with anxiety, this is one of the best herbs because it just doesn't have the same side effects as a lot of some of those medications that you might be prescribed. And also for sleeping. So how many of you all have trouble sleeping? I know I have had that in the past, and this is a wonderful herb because it helps calm the central nervous system. So I'm going to show you how to make a tincture, which is the perfect thing to do with all your excess lemon balm in the summertime. So I've already packed pretty close to full this jar, and you just keep tucking the leaves in. So I'm going to do the same with these. You can either strip off the leaves and toss them in, or if you have a smaller stalk that's nice and bendy, you can even just twirl it around and you just push it in. And the beautiful thing with lemon balm is it also has all of the wonderful antioxidants in it. So you can use this tincture not only for a tincture, but as a cordial after dinner because it also helps with digestive distress. So I highly recommend lemon balm. And if you've ever looked at essential oils and looked up the oil Melissa, it's very expensive to get a really good quality product. So I always tell people that the best thing to do is just to make a tincture. So now I've packed this in pretty darn well. There's some stems in there, but mostly leaves. Like I said, to take the leaves off, you basically just pull back like this, and then you can just tuck them in tight. Next, take a vodka. Now, because I like to use it as cordial, I'm gonna use a decent vodka. But if you're using it as a tincture, you can use Smirnoff or whatever vodka you want or have on hand. So here we go. Pour liberally until all of those leaves are under the vodka, sinking in. And there we go. So what I'm gonna do now, place the cap on this. And you wanna make sure all those leaves are under and it's full. Put this away for 4 to 6 weeks. I know that seems like a long time, but trust me, it will get all of the goodness out of these herbs. You're going to then strain that out. And once you're done, you can put them in the little amber squirt bottles or just put them in a cupboard somewhere in a little jar. It really doesn't matter. You don't want it in direct sunlight at all. And enjoy. This is one of the bounties of summer.